In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out Microsoft Access. If your screen feels cramped or the text looks a bit too large in a table query or form, this quick method will help you make more of your data visible without changing the data itself. First, open Microsoft Access and load the database you're working on. Navigate to the object where you want to adjust the view. This could be a table in Datasheet view, the results of a query, or a form with text boxes. Make sure your window is active and you can see the field or cell you want to work with. The key is to have your cursor inside the exact place you want to adjust, because the change you're about to make applies to that field or control. Click inside a cell or text box to place the cursor there. Now press Shift plus F2 on your keyboard. This opens Access's Zoom dialog, a built-in tool designed to make text easier to read, or in our case, smaller so you can see more at once. Inside the Zoom box, select the Font button. You'll see options to change the font, style, and size. To zoom out, choose a smaller font size. Dropping a few points will immediately reduce how large the content appears. If you ever need the opposite effect, increasing the font size will zoom in. When you're happy with the size, click OK in the font window, then OK in the Zoom box. Your view updates right away. Keep in mind, this adjustment affects